And this is my DX959 Galaxy. This is the one on the 2510 where the speaker's not working anymore. Like I said, I can see the meter moving, but the speaker doesn't work. So I'm going to check the speaker on the Galaxy first. My resistance here, my ohms. And there I got 8.8. Okay, I've also learned on the internet you can take a 9-volt battery and go across the speaker terminals, and if a speaker is good, it will pop for a second. It will move the count. So here's what we got here. Hear that pop? That speaker is moving. Now, I'm going to turn over to the hr2510. It's the hr2510 right there. We will try the test with the 9-volt here. Which results in pretty much nothing, no popping. We're going to take the meter on the 2510. Try to angle this up a little bit. And let's see what we get across the speaker on the 2510. We have positive. We took the Galaxy 959 bottom because the speakers weren't the same size. Just brought it out on the road for tests. Won't have a power supply in the house or anything. Turn the radio on. Bad car noise, even though we're going direct from the battery.